serving your community, the Community Foundation for Palm Beach and Martin Counties creates partnerships with donors and community members with the goal of providing mental health support throughout communities. Danita Dehaney, the president and CEO of the organization, is here this morning to tell us about a new challenge that you guys recently launched. Now, before we get into that, Danita, first tell us about the foundation, what you guys do.
Thank you, and good morning.
Good morning.
The Community Foundation for Palm Beach and Martin Counties is, first of all, a nonprofit organization that leads in facilitating philanthropy. And we do this by creating partnerships with donors and nonprofit organizations to help solve some of the pressing issues that our region faces. And our areas where we focus are youth and education, looking at economic opportunities. We look at neighborhoods and how to help them thrive. And then lastly, we focus our philanthropy on crisis preparation and management.
You know, the World Health Organization says that there has been a rise in mental health conditions. So there really is a great need for this kind of support in our communities.
You're absolutely correct. And last year, we had 22,000 calls to the 211 helpline.
Wow.
And those calls were related to mental health needs, substance abuse disorders, and of the 22,000 calls, over 900 were related to suicides. So we focus on funding organizations like 211 and others to address mental health needs, because we know that health, just like any other health issue, if mental health issues go unresolved, they get worse. So we are really excited about a new program. We have one of our donors has launched a $100,000 challenge grant to help us provide funds to the nonprofits who are on our front lines actually addressing the mental health issues.
Yeah, so this is the 100,000 match challenge, right?
Exactly.
$100,000 match challenge. So tell us a little bit about that.
So this donor's mother has devoted her life to mental health, and she has spent a lot of time ensuring that the nonprofits in our community have the funds they need to provide services. And so at our luncheon, our 10-year anniversary luncheon a couple months ago, she announced this challenge grant to inspire the donors and other community members who believe that this is a problem to help us be in a position to fund it.
So she's going to match,
Exactly,
correct?
yes.
Wow, that's incredible.
Right.
And it's about $25,000 then that are going to go to 4 different organizations?
Correct.
Okay,
Correct.
Wonderful.
And so if anybody in your audience is interested, yourcommunityfoundation.org is our website, and you can find additional information as to how to join us in this quest to address mental health services in our community.
That's really wonderful. So where will that money, go? How will it be plugged back into the community?
That's a really great question. And the way our grant making works is our nonprofit partners apply through our competitive grants, and they actually lay out what they need to continue to provide the services that they do for our community. So if it's general operating support, if it's capacity building, if they're seeking to enhance their programs, they let us know where they can make the biggest impact, and then we, along with a group of volunteer leaders, provide the support that they need to do that. So as an example, we've got the Center for Trauma Counseling that provides mobile mental health services to communities where they don't have access to it.
That's so great.
Yeah, we also have another organization that provides social and emotional learning programs for children ages 5 through 12 in the western part of the county.
Yeah, so it's just kind of just spreading around again, like you said, to all of those areas and, just different age groups or whatnot that, need this kind of help. Danita, anything I missed that you want to put out there? It's just such important information. I want to make sure that we got it all out there.
Well, I would just say that all of us are dealing with unresolved mental health issues in one way or another. And we believe that the power that philanthropy can play is making mental health services treatment accessible to those who can't get it on their own. So I would hope that the audience would join us in this quest to ensure that mental health treatment services are available to all who need it.
Yeah, it's definitely so important. I always like to say, you know, if we were to break our ankle, we would go see a doctor, right?
Exactly.
And we would get, you know, the help that we need. The
Right.
same should be applied for mental health.
Absolutely. We need to break the stigma
Yeah,
and
definitely.
get people to get help.
All right, great. Danita, thank you so much for being here
My
with
pleasure.
us.
Thank
And
you.
the Match Challenge runs through June 30th. If you'd like to make a donation or learn more about the Community Foundation, you heard Danita give the website, but we've made it easy for you. We put it on our website, WPBF.com, so you can just go there, search Mental Health Fund, and all the information that we just talked about today will be on there for you. Thanks again, Danita.
Thank you very much.